If you are looking for a way to stop dandruff, if you have dandruff and you are looking for an oil to stop dandruff, neem leaf oil are the best solution when it comes to stopping or reducing dandruff from your scalp. Hello icons, welcome and welcome back in today's video. In today's video is the powerful leaf I found out that has the ability to stop dandruff, cleanse your scalp, and then will boost hair growth. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. I grabbed my fresh neem leaf. If you don't know what neem leaf looks like, this is it. You have known it for today. So if you have seen it on your street, you can just go and grab it, clean it, use just the leaf, pound it, and let's get going. I pound mine, and this is the end result of my pounded neem leaf. So the next thing to do is for me to grab my pot and oil, add this pounded neem leaf into the pot, and just add my oil, and that is it. Boil the oil on a very low heat, as you can see, because when you use double boiling method for this oil, it's going to remain water substance into the oil, and it will make the oil go bad after some days. So the best way to get this oil perfect and use it over the years is this way that I'm doing it. Just fry your oil on a very low heat to dry all the water and infuse the neem leaf into the oil properly. And as you are frying this oil, make sure that once the leaf turn kind of brown and the oil start to cook on the spoon, then it is ready, as you can see here. So your oil is ready. You take it out and allow it to cool for some minutes. Neem oil or neem leaf oil is a fantastic natural remedy for promoting hair growth and tackling dandruff. It is easy to make and incredibly effective for your hair. So if you're looking for a way to grow your hair and stop dandruff, use this oil. If you have used this oil before, let me know in the comment section, or if you are going to use it, let me know so that I will know that this video is helpful to one or two people. And if it is, please give me a like, subscribe, and turn on notification bell. Like the video so that it will help reach other people who are struggling with dandruff and don't know how to deal with it. I get my cheesecloth, sieve my oil to remove the residues and leave just the oil. And the way this oil turns out so good that it is just the oil, no residue. The oil is more greenier than before, and you can know that the neem leaf has infused into the oil perfectly. If you are new to my channel, hello, I'm so glad to have you here. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back on this channel. As you watch, you grab an oil, a leave-in conditioner, a shea butter, anything, just feed your hair, make your hair happy, because a happy hair is a growing hair, and a sad hair it's a breaking hair. And if you feed your hair, you actually get the results that you want to have at the end of the day. Do something, make your hair happy, feed your hair. You know, when your stomach gets hungry, you get angry, and if your hair is not feeding well, the hair will become stagnant and it will just break off. This is the end look of this oil. The way I use this oil, I just massage it on my scalp. I do not rinse it out or wash it out. But you can also use this oil to do a pre-poo and use it on your wash day to get good results as well. So thank you so much for watching. I will catch you up in my next video. Some kisses coming your way. By the way, on this very day, this was in the morning. I was trying to go to school, so trying to just moisturize my hair and seal in the moisture so that I can go to school. So bye. Wait, before I go, I have something to say. Have you taken care of your hair today? What do you use and how do you do it? If you haven't done anything today, just get a shea butter, a leave-in conditioner and oil. Just moisturize your hair. At this moment, it's already midnight, so I'm trying to lower down my voice not to wake a lot of people out. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you up in my next video. Bye.